Daddy, I know you ain't in here chilling while everybody else moving stuff.
Just winning results leaving your bathroom floor.
Fuck it. That's life.
We are on our way to pick up the keys to our place. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Thank you, God, for this new transition, for this new chapter in my life. It's time. It's time. I just got some Chick-fil-A. Got some Chick-fil-A. And then I mapped out my destination there. And I was just like, yeah, no, let me get on the road because I'm not trying to be late. I'm not trying to be late, and I need to stop at Target before I go. Before I started having everybody in my house, I wanted to say a prayer in my house, talk to God in my house, clean my house, play some music. I brought my Amazon home, so I'm gonna do that and just feel this moment for myself, grasp it, get a hold of it, because this will be our new place. And I just wanted everything clean before I started moving stuff in. I didn't want to move stuff in to a dirty place. I mean, to a place that's not clean, should I say, you know? So, yeah, that's that. So I'm just excited. So I'm just rambling at this point. But I'm going to eat my Chick-fil-A and I'll meet you guys. I mean, I'll pick back up the camera or start recording again once I get to the place. Once I get to my house. My house. That's so crazy saying, like, my house. Thank you, God. I'm so excited. We're back and I'm about to start cleaning. Do what we gotta do. I'm gonna set up my little Alexa home thing so I can play some music. Cause who about to clean the silence? Not me. That's what I need to get, a box cutter. Do I have a box cutter? I'm excited because I've never had one of these. Alexa is happy to help. I'm sure you are. I hope you don't be nosy like Siri is. Here, or should I put it in the corner? Like over here? Like right there, can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see it, so I don't know why I asked that. We're gonna, for right now, yeah, right now we're gonna keep it right here. Amazon. English.
Hello. Ready for setup.
I ain't got no Wi-Fi yet, y'all, so what? We can't set nothing up, I guess. Can we set something up? Cause I ain't got no Wi-Fi, so Erie, let me get on somebody's Wi-Fi, y'all. Let me get on your Wi-Fi. Let me get on your Wi-Fi. Connect. I ain't got no network to connect to, baby. Can it connect to a hotspot? For the time being?
Oh, girl, please.
Clearly that can't get set up today because I don't have no Wi-Fi and I thought it was at least gonna do something. Anyways, I can get my iPad because we got music on there. We got it. iPad ready to go.
Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. Act the fool for you, cause like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for the riddle. Oh, wow, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, every bitch on. Tell me love her till the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her till the nighttime, nah, nah.
bathroom bleach former. Y'all think I can still use this right here? Probably can't, but I'm using it today.
Yeah, give me that blues for the riddle. Oh, wow, all that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby bitch. Tell me love her to the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't get nobody, I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Valley girl, she wears clothes. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. Valley girl, she wears clothes. You see, it's obvious, sensational. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know. I do for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for the riddle. Oh, wow, all that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, baby bitch. This one she fine, oh yeah. She want this, then she got this. She know we control them, yeah. When she dance it, when she wind it, she make me want give her body back shots, body, give her body back shots, body, give her body back shots, body. Whoa, 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 whoa. Back shit the way I jump for NYC. Yeah. Big killer, she carry the best artist. Yeah. Steady, ready, we assassin. Sweetie,
But not me messing it up with bleach. That's crazy. Luckily, the Nike pants didn't get messed up because I definitely still wear those.
what didn't I do for you, girl? And I know. I do for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for the riddle. Oh, wow, all that's a little, yeah. Life's goodie, get a goodie, bam, bam. I need you now. Put me on fire like a lantern. Can you taste so divine? And I wonder why you so sensational. Oh, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? Can I do for you? And I know. I do for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for the riddle. Oh, wow, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, maybe bitter, sensational.
Cause we made it. We made it. Now let's move. Day 2. You tired?
You said what?
Oh, this. Why you have furniture move?
What?
You ain't buy no furniture?
No, the only big thing I bought was my bed because I didn't want to buy nothing and then don't fit or I don't want to do all that. I just wanted to wait till I move. All right, come on, so we can get the show on. Daddy, I know you ain't in here chilling while everybody else moving stuff.
Just winning results leaving your bathroom, floor.
Fuck it. That's life.
Back we go. We are finally back and it's been a long day. I didn't record none of the moving because please, no. But I'm gonna get started with this kitchen. It is, what time is it? It's 4:45, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done because it's literally a lot that I don't think it's that much in the kitchen that I have to do. But if I showed you, you probably might be like, girl, please. The trash can. I need to take that out, but all of this stuff. I need to put these in the room, and then this TV. This needs to go in my car. That was right there. So that's all for now. It's a whole bunch of other stuff in my room. We ain't gonna talk about it. I'm focusing on this kitchen. And one thing about me, I don't like a whole bunch of stuff sitting around. So that's why I'm like, let me get done as much as I can do. And that's why I'm only focusing on the kitchen. I need to focus on the kitchen. But the thing is, I don't have liners. And my cabinet, and my mama was like, oh yeah, absolutely not. She was like, we need to get you liners ASAP. I don't know why you didn't think about that, girl, because liners wasn't happening today. We weren't gonna do that. I'm not worried about that. I think if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the vase that I brought, and I was supposed to buy me some flowers to go on that base. Once again, we're not stressing. Let's just do what we can, okay? I don't even know where to start, but we're gonna figure something out. This blue thing because there is no color in this house as of yet. In our place, it just looks like beige stuff. It's gonna be so good. So y'all, I haven't said it yet, but please don't mind my nails. I need to take them off. And hence I said ain't nothing blue in town. I don't know why I tried to do that. I think go ahead. This low-key look too big. Should I draw like that? I look regular. Just imagine me cooking. It's wet, but you get to just in my It's okay. It's called balance. Balance. I'm not a whole little neutral girl, but yeah. I just knew that that blue wasn't about to be the main thing in my house. Absolutely not.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me solace. Promise that I'm putting pressure. You'll only take me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I caught it. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with me, know you could do damage.
It comes with this stuff. I'm gonna pull it out so you can see, but I just wanted to show y'all. I got the 11 piece because I think it's like 2 different sizes you could get. So I'm about to bake a cake, a 2-tier cake at that. I just been talking. This square one. So excited for this. So I'm about to bake. I really want to start. That was so loud. I really want to start baking. Like learning how to cook and stuff, because I feel like it's giving, girl, what you be doing? I tried to make some brownies before and it was just so nasty. So this is my recovery season, so I need to figure something out. It comes with it. This is huge. What I'm gonna put up on here? Y'all know how to cook? Because what is going on? I do be seeing people, do they do it like this? And they be like sitting stuff on top of it. I think I've seen people sit cookies on top of here. So do you like put it in the oven and then when you take it out, you sit it on here so I can finish? Am I slow? I really don't know. This big boy. I'm gonna be using this for real. It's something about this sitting out on the counter to me that I just, why is this? There's something about the air fryer sitting on the counter to me that just don't sit there. Like I just feels like it gives junky vibes. I don't know. I don't know. And I don't care to find out. So it just won't be sitting on my counter. So it's like I don't even know. I just said that and I think it could possibly sit over here. I think it could possibly sit. I think it can sit over there. I literally just said I don't want to sit on my counter, and now I'm looking, I'm like, can it sit on the counter? I also have a blender, so that's why I'm trying to make sure I save space for that to go. But I don't want the counter to look at all cluttered. What I can't stand is a cluttered counter. No. Put that stuff up under the cabinets and stop buying so much stuff. Put it up under the cabinets. But this, I don't know. I'm trying to decide if I should do this, the iHome Alexa little thing on this side right here and have this right here, or should I put it back on that side and put the blender, put that on this side. Shit to back over here. So remember all this. And then I have this right here. And then I'm also gonna have a blender right there. Trash right there. A mess. A mess. Who's taking out trash? Because one thing about me, I really do not like taking out trash. Can you call maintenance to like take trash down? Because I'm really that type. Like I do not like taking trash. That's one thing about me. One thing I can say. I do not like touching trash. For some reason, I just feel like that's a man's job. Besides the bathroom trash, like when you cycling stuff, I'll take that. But like trash, no. So I got this rug from H&M and this rug from H&M. Aren't they super freaking cute? So cute. So we're gonna put this one outside the door. I'm dead tired, but the show must go on. So we're gonna do what we can in this bathroom. This is the shower curtain. Got it from TJ Maxx. I think it's really cute. One thing I forgot, I didn't get the thing that goes behind that, the little clear thing. I didn't get that. These are some hooks, so we're gonna do some stuff with that. I bought this. Is it so freaking cute? Super cute. And then that, I took the thing off that. This, the famous shower caddy that everybody likes. And then these organizer boxes. It's toilet tissue. So we're gonna try it out now. We have the bath mat. My friend said this actually has a smell to it. So child, if it smells too long, we get rid of it. We're gonna get a regular little thing. So
It ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life, all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah, 'cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage.
I have these things, but the drawers are not big. It don't even fit like this. Ghetto. I don't know if I like this. I think I might sit this one right here and put my skincare stuff right there. Let's switch. Maybe I should put this on this side. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. What we're gonna do is put this bathroom on hold. Do you see how tired I look? Like, look, I have bags under my eyes. And my hair is greasy. You see them strings? I can't believe it. And I think it's now 8 o'clock. It's 9:07. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow because it's getting, girl, go get some rest because none of this is even, I don't like this wood in this bathroom with the nude that I already have. So, yeah, sometimes, I don't know. Yeah, it's getting, I don't know.